See here 2020 कल का ही question, we have done this but it is not recorded, we have to do again. So R is a function, R is a relation x comma y belongs to z, x square plus 3y square less than or equal to 8, okay, is a relation on the sets integers z, then the domain of R inverse is what is asking. So what I told yesterday, R is equal to, we should write the relation with satisfying this, right? So 0 0 satisfied na, x 0 y 0 satisfied, next 0 1 satisfied, right? And next tell fatafat tell 1 1 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 1 2 0 minus 2 0 minus 1 2 1 minus 2 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 है ना. So all these will be satisfied, these order pairs will be satisfied because here it is an integer. We should take x and y integers with satisfying this inequality. Like here if I take minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 square is 1 and 1 square is 1 into 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 less than 8. So like this, how many order pairs are satisfying the given condition? Means these all are satisfying the given condition. We cannot take 2 here. 2 square will be 4, 4 3s are 12, greater than 8. So only these order pairs will satisfy this condition. So this is what we called as a required relation. In this relation is asking domain of R inverse. Previous lecture I explained domain of R inverse is equal to range of R. So we will find range of R. What is the range of R here? Range of R is equal to, we can write as range of R will be here, second part 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. It means what we have, minus 1 we have, 0 we have, 1 we have. This is the range of R. If this is the range of R, then what is the domain of R inverse? Domain of R inverse will be minus 1 0 1 because these both are equal. So minus 1 0 minus 1, option A is the right answer. So this is asked in September 2020 JEE. Okay, let's see next question. So here is asking about transitive relation. R1 R2 two relations are given. R1 is A comma B belongs to R square. Is given R1 R2 two relations. R1 is A comma B is a order pair. If is A square plus B square belongs to Q. A comma B belongs to R square, A square plus B square does not belongs to Q. This you have to square them, right? So for this one, see whenever it is satisfying, then we can normally write direct. If it is not satisfying, then we should give a counter example. Example देना पड़ता है. So can you tell me any example? See here, transitive चाहिए तो three numbers चाहिए. For transitive to prove, actually his options are in transitive. Options are in transitive, so symmetric वो नहीं है. If it is symmetric, 2 order pairs sufficient. If it is reflexive, ones. But all the options are in transitive, so you require 3 numbers. So A comma B is one relation. See if I say here, A comma B is a relation, B comma C is a relation. Then you get as A comma C also a relation. That should get. So A comma B is relation means what here is saying that A square plus B square, you are taking any numbers A B, A square plus B square should get rational number. Let's see here. Example we are taking A B C like this. Now let's see here A relation B we see. A relation B क्या होगा? 1 plus root 2 whole square plus 1 minus root 2 whole square, right? A square plus B square, I should get a rational. See here, he is saying that, what is they said? Q is all rational numbers. R1, R2, two relations defined as like this. Okay, so I am taking A is something, B is something. Now this square करें तो क्या आएगा? 1 plus, why we are taking like this only? You can take anything. But see that rational irrational combination should come. Rational irrational and conjugate should come. Conjugate and rational irrational. So what happens here? 1 plus root 2 square is 2 square is 4 minus 2 root 2. What do you get here? A plus b whole square na, a square 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Here what I get here? 1 plus 4 minus 2 root 2. Are you getting what I said? हाँ 2 हाँ रूट 2 का स्क्वायर है. Once a square plus b square plus 2ab. a square plus b square minus 2ab. करेक्ट. मैंने यूज़ किया a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर फार्मूला, a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर फार्मूला. a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. This is cancelled out. How much I got here? 6. 6 is a rational number. 6 is a rational number. You have to prove that. You have to show that. आपको है ना नॉर्मल नंबर लिए तो ये सेटिस्फाई कर रहा दिखता है. If you take a normal numbers, you will get satisfaction of this. But you have to take a tricky numbers that should not satisfy. So a comma b we took like this. Now let's see b comma c. If you want another method, I will tell you another method also. B comma c. B is what here? 1 minus root 2. Oh, sorry. BC. BC combination क्या? B square plus C square. I have to take B square plus C square. Right? Are you getting? Understood? मैंने इधर क्या यूज़ किया? A square plus B square. It means A comma B is a order pair. Then I have to use A square plus B square. And you got a rational number. Now I am taking a comma b over. Next what I have to take? B comma c. So I should get b square plus c square. B square value is how much? 1 minus. अरे b square है ना, ये है ना 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 root 2. Right. Why I took 8 power 1 by 4 you will understand now. है ना, अभी आपको समझ में आएगा. मैंने क्यों लिया बोला तो इसको देख के लिया, आपको पता चलेगा. प्लस सी स्क्वायर मीन्स व्हाट? 8 पावर 1 by 4 होल स्क्वायर. तो ये कैंसिल हो गया, ये 2 root 2 आएगा. देखो 1 plus 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. ये कैंसिल करने का मेन मकसद है. तो ये आ गया 3. So if A related to B you got rational number, B related to C you got rational number. Then A related to C also what should get? Rational number. So A related to C, you see that. A related to C. A related to C means A related to C means A square plus C square should get rational number. So A square is what here? 1 plus root 2 whole square plus 8 1 by 4 whole square. So you get as 1 plus 2 root 2 plus you are getting 2 root 2. So you are not going to get 0. So you are going to get irrational number here. This is you are going to get irrational numbers. This is not belongs to rational number. Means it is not transitive. R1 is not transitive. Understood? समझ में आया? R1 is not transitive. Means in the options we can delete that. See, A is equal to 1 plus root 2, B is 1 minus root 2. See, 8 power 1 by 4. So what I to get? A square plus B square. I do A square plus B square, what I will get? 6. So it is not belongs to, it actually should get what as not belongs to Q you should get. But you got what belongs to Q you got. Means here itself failed. R2 is failed now. A comma B belongs to R square, so A square plus B square not belongs to Q. So not belongs to Q, you are not getting for all rational numbers. Q is a set of all rational numbers. सबके rational number के लिए exist होना चाहिए, but you are not getting that. Understood? So R2 also not transitive. If it is not satisfying one condition, it is not true at all. Both are not transitive. So which option is correct? B is right. Understood or you have any doubt? Doubt? Should I explain? See, you have to take not belongs to Q, there will be no condition like that. You will not get any condition and not belongs to Q. If you want to take AC, only one way you can take. AC you can take, right? And another one, you will not get that condition. Not belongs to Q you get. But here AB, I am getting that na. AB I am getting. Suppose if I take A and C, suppose I take A and C, what I will get? A and C, if I take, what I get? 3 plus 4 root 2. Root 2 plus root 2, 4 root 2. If I take BC, what I will get? BC. If I take BC.
3.
Huh? 3. BC. BC. BC is what? BC related means what? B square is what? 1 square plus root 2 square is what? 2 minus 2 root 2. Okay. That is, I am going to get again real. Rational real. Okay. I should not get like. So, what you are not getting this one, I will tell you. 1 second, I will tell you. Now, see, it should be satisfied for everything. See, ये relations क्या होता है ना, transitive, symmetric है ना. If for it is given for all rational numbers, it should be satisfied for all. Then only it is transitive, symmetric like this. But if you find one counter example also, which is not satisfying, if you find one counter example, if it is not satisfying, then that is not transitive only. So here you can find, you can easily see that which is not satisfying BC condition. BC relation, it's not satisfying. So directly we can say R2 is not transitive. समझ में आया? So this is one more question. R is given, set A is given, you have to find reflexive symmetric which one. Difficult question, I will search till that time. See previous one, previous sums part 2, R2 का method 2. A comma B belongs to R. Then what was there? A square plus B square not belongs to Q. B comma C belongs to R. R square na? Then what you have here? B square plus C square not belongs to Q. अब देखो आपको क्या चाहिए था? A comma C. If I subtract these both, if I subtract or add करें तो आएगा, subtract करें तो क्या आएगा? A square plus C square does not belongs to Q. You are getting ना? Subtract करें तो आ रहा है ना? A square plus C square does not belongs to Q. Subtract करें तो आ रहा है. Method 2 में okay, it was addition. See here, it is addition. It is addition. So you have to add. So add करें तो क्या होगा? A square plus 2B square plus C square. You will not get A square plus C square. So we can say it is not transitive. In this way also you can say.